Hello there, Americans, Asians, Englishmen, Greasemans, and everyone else that's in this world that watches YouTube or has been on YouTube. I am now about to do Hey Soul Sister Train. This is not the Glee version, this is the Train one. As much as I love the Glee version, I am doing Train because I did a little mini vote on Facebook and everyone wanted it. Well, it was basically everyone wanted me to do the Train version, so here it is. This is, like I said, I'm basically doing lots of requests that Craig Pryor decided to. I was on Facebook here about 9 o'clock last night. All of a sudden, boom, loads of requests just pile in from him. So I thought I might as well just do them today and get them and get as many of them done as I can so they're out of the way. So I can do more later. I've got a little thing to tell you in the next song that I don't really think I should tell you, but I sort of need to, because you'll be asking questions otherwise. Okay then, so this is Hey Soul Sister Train. Hope you like it. Hey, hey, hey. Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I have decided, who's one of my kind. Hey soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move it ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 hey. Just in time. I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like mine. You gave my life direction, a game show love connection. We can't deny. I'm so upset. My heart is bound to beat right out of my untrimmed chest. Relieving you like a virgin, you're Madonna, and I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind. Hey soul sister, hey Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move it ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Love, watching you's the only drug I need. Hey gangsta, I'm so fucked. You're the only one I'm dreaming of. See, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can be. I want the world to see you be with me. Hey soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move it ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. That was good. There's some songs that come along and you just love singing them. And that was a true definition of a song that I love to sing. That was incredible. I hope you liked it.